In this video, I'll give you the answer to task that I gave you in task 20. Do watch the video till the end as I have an important update about the task of the day series. Okay, let's start. In task 20, I asked you to complete two things. That is, read the 5th SLR paper and study their contribution section, and write 1 or 2 sentences which outlines the contribution of your SLR paper. So let's review the answer for these tasks now. I'll show you the contribution section from one of my other recent SLR papers. You can pause the video and read the section word by word and see how I have written this section. This is what I have in my paper. Here, the contribution section is not as detailed as the one that I covered in task 19, but the paper has received over 150 citations in the last few years. So this is what I had written. The objective of this paper is to thoroughly examine the selected research papers and group them based on their research contribution into one of the categories shown in the figure, shown in the prosumer smart grid taxonomy in figure 2. We developed this taxonomy based on the evaluation of the literature reported in this article. Table 1 shows the corresponding list of papers reviewed under each category. I hope you have written something similar in your contribution section. So this concludes the answer for task 20 and also finishes the subsection on contribution. Now that you have completed this task, I have 2 video suggestions for you. If you want to check the next task, then click the video on the left. Otherwise, click on the right video for YouTube's recommendation. And don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. But before you go to the next video, I have an update for you. This is the 20th video that I have posted over the last 4 weeks. I have been consistent in posting 2 videos a day, and I hope you are following these videos and progressing well. If you have any feedback on this series, or if you would like me to change something, do let me know so I can improve in the upcoming videos. So for next week, I will not be posting any more videos. I would like to give you all 1 week's time to catch up and also reflect upon your progress. If there are tasks that you have not completed yet, then take this next week to finish all these tasks so that we can continue from the week onwards. I'll be back again with a new video the following week. Till then, have a good week and stay blessed. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.